Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off accessibility on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, as we know together that accessibility is a shortcut that make it easier for us to adjust the volume, to adjust the brightness, to adjust the screen, or we can also use for navigation. Well, but this accessibility is a little annoying because it is located on the edge of the screen, so it's likely interferes with the movement of the touchscreen. So I will turn it off. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, now let's check it out to the tutorial. Okay, first now you can go to settings menu, and then here you can scroll down, and then now you can go to accessibility, and then now you can go to interaction and dexterity menu. And so yeah, here now you can turn it off and the accessibility shortcut will disappear from the screen. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys.